welcome to A Touch of Glam. I'm so happy that you're here. Today's video is a deep clean and decorate with me of our living room area. Our living room is the most high traffic area in our house, and with our pool in construction, this area is so easily consumed with dirt and dust. I wanted to make sure to deep clean this area, not only where you can see where it is dirty, but most especially in the areas where we fail to look for when we clean. Like the inside of the lamps and the back of the TV, as well as the back of the sofas where dust accumulates out of sight and hurts us by the quality of air we breathe if we do not tend to it by cleaning and disinfecting it. So if you want to see how I have cleaned this area and how I will be redecorating this living space, then please continue to watch till the end. Now let's start decorating. If you have watched my shop with me at Lamps Plus, you might have remembered these 2 silver vases that I have bought on clearance with an additional 10% off on that visit. I am so happy that I can finally use this and arrange it with my favorite Hobby Lobby gem drop bead stem. I love to decorate with this bead stem as it creates such beautiful glam look that I love. Guys, I went to Walmart for the first time in a long time, and I'm so amazed by all the different selections they have for a glam look decorations like this feathered filled pillows. I love the style of how you can have a side with a bloom patterns, or if you want to keep it simple, the other side is a plain velvet gray for that look. So which one do you guys think looks better? Is this plain gray velvet side better or the one with the balloon pattern? Please comment below. I'd love to know what you guys think. I have also purchased this huge glass vase and white roses from Walmart to create a flower arrangement centerpiece for our coffee table. I have provided a link in the description box below if you would like to purchase all the decorations I use in this video. It's such a satisfying feeling that you have a clean space while it is also decorated just the way you love. We love being at home and I love to create the space we can feel comfortable and be happy in. I hope this video inspires you in deep cleaning a space in your house that just needs that loving attention. And also, I hope this video gives you ideas in decorating your living space with a touch of glam. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And please kindly subscribe if you haven't done so. To my returning subscribers, I am so blessed and grateful to have you here. God bless you all, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!